The breakthrough is that we showed that ecosystem-based management outperforms species-focused conservation actions for freshwater fish. For example, fish stocking completely failed, but by improving their habitats and restoring ecological processes, we can really benefit biodiversity. Well, we live in a world of polycrises, and one of which is, of course, biodiversity decline, but there are many others, and the world is so complex that we can only solve them by transformative research, interdisciplinary research. We are hopeless without that. It's a great honor for us to get this award because we worked many years with practitioners, with people in civil society, in our case, recreational anglers, and it's a great honor to be recognized for this type of work together with people on the ground. And we hope that the award gives credit, of course, to the people and their actions where they try to help fish. But of course, we would hope also that we could get a little bit more funding for similar research in the future and a bit of visibility. Science, visibility, transformation. If it is robust and properly communicated to decision makers and they actually implement it. If you think you have a solution and great work, just try. They thought we would never make it, but here we are now.